Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia again. I just wanted to throw together a very quick video on a few tips on how to use your heads-up display in a 2021 Kia Seltos SX Turbo all-wheel drive. We're just going to do a one take, so we're going to go right into it. So right off the get-go, you have this nice little screen that comes up out of the dash that will give you certain content information, whatever you decide you want to have come up there. We have options of what you can pick from. There is a button in the little cluster next to the left of the steering column that has the HUD on it. That's your heads-up display. So if I press that button, right now because the display was out, it's going to put the display away. So if you don't want to use it, you can put it away very quickly and it's very easy. So I'm going to bring it back out again. Let that do its thing. Now, all of the options are built into the 10.25 inch radio screen now. So I'm going to go into Setup. I'm going to go to Vehicle. And then actually the first option that pops up is your heads-up display. So I can go into display control and I can change the height of it, because not everybody sits and sees out the front windshield the same way. So you can adjust it based on how, how high up you are. You can rotate it if you feel you need to. You can even adjust the brightness. Right now it's on the highest brightness setting at 20 and I can see it fairly clear even on the video. So I'm going to go to content selection. These are the options that it's going to give you that will pop up on the screen. It'll look very similar to this. So your turn-by-turn directions, if you have a destination put in your navigation. You have traffic signs, so if in this case it would mostly be a speedometer or a speed sign. So if it'll come up, just let you know what the speed limit is for that road. Driving convenience info, just any, like you've got your cruise control information that would come up. Lane safety info, if your lane keep is on, then it will display it. It'll show you, give you an example here. Your blind spot safety info, so literally just your indicators on each side. And even if you go to change the radio station, it'll display like a little icon next to the little speedo there on the screen. And if I go to speedometer, I can change the size that I want it to be. So right now it's on the largest setting. If I go and select small, that's your difference. So, and there is a medium. Let's change it to that. I prefer it large so you can see it nice and clear. And then you can also change the color of it. So in this case, we have white, orange, and green. So if it's easier for you to see, if it happens to be green, orange is a little harder to see. I prefer white. It just looks very straightforward and easy to read. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to give you a few quick tips while I was actually taking some pictures of this vehicle. So, and I've got some new ones coming in now. Please hit the like button. We super appreciate it. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for any time we go post the next video. Thanks so much, guys.